inside looks like. If you have it open, is what you should expect if you actually get the Samsung. What it looks like. So I said it's charged. You can see the active. Hello lovely people, hope you're doing great. Today's video we're going to be unboxing this special Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro. Okay, it's called Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro. You can see this from the pack. Okay, we're going to be making a quick and fast unboxing to get it already open and charged. So you have to see what it looks like. So here is what the inside looks like. If you have it open, is what you should expect if you actually get the Samsung Galaxy Pro. This is a black color. Okay, this is what it looks like now. It's called Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro. Okay, it has two-way speakers for rich sound. It has active noise cancelling reduction. It has 5 to 18 hours play time, and the packaging content involves earbud left and right, charging case, earbud tip 3 set, USB-C cable, quick start guide. Okay, this is a compatible it's compatible with smartphones and tablets running Android 7.0 or higher with more than 1.5 GB of random access memory. This is RAM. Okay, so this is what you should expect from this. Okay, this is SMR190 made in Vietnam. Okay, SMR190 here made in Vietnam, in case you want to get this particular one. So let's go in to see what it looks like. So I said it's charged. You can see the active green indicator showing that it's on and fully charged. Okay, so you can connect this to your smartphone, to your tablet, like it's written. Okay, you see it's written, this is the left here, how you use it, and then when you connect it to your smartphone, you see, when you connect it to your smartphone, you can actually use it and enjoy yourself. It's very comfortable to use. Now there are several colors. It has this black, it has other colors. Mystic red is also available in case you're a red lover. Okay, there's also off-white and blue, so there are many colors that you can choose from. Now this is the cable. This is where this is the charger. Okay, so okay, this is another parcel that it came with. These are the covers. Now, in case if you're wondering how do you charge this is a charging case. It's a little cord that it has here. Okay, I showed you. You use this cord, you insert here, and then you charge it. This is how to charge it. This case is to charge it, so we don't need to bother. Once it's fitted in here, use this little cord here that I showed you. This one folded in here, and then you use it to charge it. I hope you love this short